Hello, myself Binshad, Assistant Professor, BVoc Logistics Management, my College of Advanced Studies. Today, I'm going to tell you some basics of logistics management, and it is mainly for introduction of logistics management and definitions of logistics and logistics management functions of logistics management, evaluation of logistics management. So, welcome for this session, and I would like to discuss introduction of logistics management. Before I'm going to enter this topic, I would like to tell you there are lots of logistics companies out there. If we are going to travel by road, there are lots of logistics companies just like SI Express, VRL, FedEx, DHL. You can see lots of companies, and we don't know what is that and what is the difference that we I would like to share you all this kind of information with my knowledge and introduction of logistics. Logistics, the fills gap between supply and demand. This is at the moment of goods and service, point of origin to point of consumption. And logistics, the gap filling method that we supply side and demand side. And logistics is the process of planning and executing efficient transportation and storage of goods from the point of origin to point of consumption, both of used to meet customer requirements in a timely and cost-effective manner. And yeah, we can also transportation. We can also multi-modal, intermodal, also different kind of models of transportation. If we want a very fast service, we can also use the aircraft. We can also keep and rest. We can also ship. We can also do the door-to-door service. We can also buy a boat. There are lots of things, and intermodal. You can also buy truck and buy rail, and you can also buy ship. There are lots of methods we can also do by logistics. The main motto is the movement of goods and services from the point of origin to point of consumption, meet customer demand timely and cost effective manner. Next, I'm going to tell you and in definitions, various definitions of logistics management. Yeah, main definitions of logistics management. According to American Council of Logistics Management, logistics defined as follows: the process of planning, implementing, controlling efficient, cost-effective flow and storage of raw material, in-process inventory, finished goods, and related information from the point of origin to point of consumption for the purpose of confirming customers' requirements. That this is the American Council of a very popular definition. Next, we are going to definition of Philip Kotler. According to Philip Kotler, logistics defined as follows: planning, implementing, and controlling physical flows of materials and finished goods from the point of origin to point of use to meet customers' need at a profit. And according to Martin Christopher, logistics is essentially a planning process and an information-based practice. It is very small, it's a precise definition of logistics management given by Martin Christopher. Next, I would like to go in various functions of logistics management. Yeah, order processing, the first function, second processing function is warehousing, transportation, material handling, and logistics packaging, inventory control, information flow. These are the major functions of logistics. Yeah, now we've got an idea. What are the functions they're doing? Yeah, this kind of function they're doing. Last one is information flow. If you're getting the customer's feedback, we are given to the point of origin in the value feedbacks and the and inventory control we also do packaging very green packaging. Now plastic waste reducing every company's material handling, and yeah, there are lots of technologies are using for handling materials, electricization, etc. transportation. Yeah, already talked about various types of transportation, warehousing, cold storage facilities. There are different types of warehousing, etc. These are the functions of logistics. Now we are going to go for evolution of logistics management. Evolution of logistics management, 1960s fragmentation period. Yeah, fragmentation period is point demand forecasting, sourcing and purchasing, requirement planning, production planning, manufacturing inventory, warehousing, materials handling, packaging, goods inventory, distribution planning, order processing, transportation, customer service. 1980s consolidation period. There are five heads: materials management, warehousing, materials handling, packaging, physical distribution. The materials management is going to these things. These five things are under one point, that is materials management, and this five is also gone to physical distribution. This is the 1980s consultation it will happen. This is the merging things. And 1990s the integration period, that is this five going to one point, that is logistics in 1990s integration period. And 2000s value capture period, this period supply chain management SCM will be concerned. This period, information technology, marketing and sales, strategic planning, finance, etc. comes under the value capture. 2000s for digitalization, that automation period is automatic warehouse, robotics, and drone logistics. There are different types of things, and that evolution of logistics management. If you got an idea about where come from here to here, what other things will be happen now every day by changing new technologies and new trends, new kind of thing for the logistics. And last year, I'm very concluding this session with thank you for watching us, for giving the wonderful session, for basics information about the logistics management.